I'm Jeff Beck. I'm founder of Black Box Creative Incorporated. Black Box Creative is a mobile application and web design company that works with small business clients, mid-sized business clients, nonprofits, and entertainers. We help take ideas from start to completion. My ultimate goal and mission for the company is to build an enterprise-level design firm that will work with clients in the inner city and throughout the country to really give enterprise-quality design. That means, not cutting corners, having full-out project plans, project scopes and charters, documentation, support, and building projects that really are at the level of the companies that are charging hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars to do the same work at an affordable price. The value proposition presented from being able to create space and create opportunities for minorities in tech really will grow and change a lot of the problems that we face when we talk about the poverty gap, the education gap, the disparities. Technology is something that levels that playing field. And I tell people all the time when I speak, if you can imagine one African-American person that at the level of wealth of Mark Zuckerberg from the south side of Chicago, the impact that would have when he came back as a billionaire to change the entire community in scope and scale. And that's what we have to do. We can't be those individuals, we have to help create them. And this creates those individuals.